Hello, welcome to my review channel softspot. Reviews, User Requirements Masterclass and Video Courses Reviews. A deep dive. Are you looking to level up your skills in user requirements? You're in the right place. Today, we're going to look at the User Requirements Masterclass and other video courses in this field. These courses can help you get better at software product management, agile development, and more. Let's start with the User Requirements Masterclass. This course covers a lot of ground. It teaches you about project success rates and how to improve them. You'll learn communication skills that are key in this field. The course also talks about stakeholder engagement, which is super important. One thing that stands out about this masterclass is its focus on user-centered design. This approach puts the user first in all decisions. It's a big deal in today's market. The course also covers scope creep management. This is a common issue in projects, so it's good to know how to handle it. The User Requirements Masterclass doesn't stop there. It dives into product market fit and business analysis too. These are crucial skills for anyone in product development or project management. But what about other video courses on user requirements? There are quite a few out there. Many of them cover similar topics. You'll find courses on being a Scrum Master or product owner. There are also courses for aspiring business analysts. These video courses often talk about software development and agile methodology. They teach you how to gather requirements effectively. This is key for successful project delivery. One thing to keep in mind is that not all courses are created equal. Some focus more on theory, while others are more practical. It's good to read reviews and see what fits your learning style. Many of these courses, including the User Requirements Masterclass, cover client specifications. They teach you how to understand and document what clients want. This ties into creating a clear product vision. Sprint goals are another common topic. These are important in agile projects. Courses often show you how to set and meet these goals. They also talk about team collaboration, which is crucial for any project. Risk mitigation is another key area. Good courses will teach you how to spot and handle risks. This can make a big difference in project outcomes. Usability and user satisfaction are big themes in many courses. After all, the end goal is to make products that users love. Courses often show you how to prioritize requirements with this in mind. Lastly, many courses touch on leadership communication. This is super helpful if you want to move up in your career. So, what's the verdict on the User Requirements Masterclass and other video courses? They can be really helpful. They give you skills that are in high demand. Whether you're new to the field or looking to upgrade your skills, there's likely a course out there for you. The User Requirements Masterclass stands out for its comprehensive approach. It covers a wide range of topics in depth. But don't just take my word for it. Check out reviews from past students. See what they say about how the course helped them in their work. Remember, the best course is the one that fits your needs and learning style. Take some time to compare different options. Look at the topics covered, the teaching style, and the course length. This will help you find the right fit for your career goals. In the end, investing in your skills is always a good move. Whether it's the User Requirements Masterclass or another course, learning about user requirements can open up new opportunities. It can help you do your current job better or even land a new role. So why wait? Start exploring your options today. Thanks for watching.